Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be preparing the famous Manipuri sweet dish, that is black sticky rice kheer, and I'll be enjoying along with my friends. So let's start preparing it. See the Chahao kheer. Black sticky rice from Manipur. One by third of sabudana. Soak it separately. Wash it thoroughly. I have washed and put some water. Soak it. The same with the sabudana. Wash it and soak it. I'll soak both of these for minimum 1 hour. Kismish. Some cashew nut. I don't have the sliced coconut, that's why I'm using the coconut powder. Condensed milk and milk. I'll be using 1 liter of milk. So let's start preparing the black sticky rice kheer. I'm using full fat milk. You can use any milk you like. Bay leaf. Now the black rice. Put the sabudana as well. Tapioca balls. Now the cardamom, green cardamom. If you want, you can crush it. I've stirred it a little bit. Keep stirring so that the milk doesn't burn. Put the sugar as well. First I'll put 5 tablespoons. Don't put lots of sugar because we'll be using the condensed milk as well. Look at the beautiful color. It has turned into purple color. Once it starts boiling, put the condensed milk. Now I'll put the shredded coconut powder. I prefer the sliced coconut, that is much better. Put the kishmish, I've already washed it. Cashew nut. You can adjust the amount of dry fruits you're using. Keep on cooking until the rice is cooked. Keep on stirring so that the milk doesn't burn. After 20 minutes of cooking, you can see it has thickened. Don't thicken it more than this. It will thicken more once it cools down. So this is the consistency. I cook it just for 20 minutes. Switch off the flame. This is the consistency I want. Sugar is perfect for me. I have put 5 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. When you look at it now, it's runny, not that thick, but once it cools down, it will thicken more. So that's it. You can smell the nice aroma of that cardamom and bay leaf. A nice purple color. This is the perfect consistency I want. The sabudana is also cooked. When you press it, there is no seeds. For me, I prefer kheer with sabudana because it's much smoother and much tastier, and it's good for health. That's why I put little bit of sabudana. Usually in Manipur we don't put, but try putting it.
Oh my god, this is going to be yummy. What is this, Sai?
Yeah, this is black sticky rice here. No?
Oh, kheer rice from Manipur.
Yeah.
And what did you put?
I put milk, cashew nut,
Oh,
elaichi. and-
shall we
Yeah,
take
yeah,
it out
please,
then? Yeah. So, oh my god, I will put it.
please. Yeah. Please
Oh gosh, looks so yummy. Come, Irene.
Yes.
Yes.
Take.
Thank you.
Yeah, you have already met Ellie.
Yes.
She is Irene.
Okay.
Yes. This Manipuri taste padana. It's
Wow.
very different
It
from
is
here,
so
no?
tasty. Yes, the aroma is stronger.
Because of
Mm.
the you like it how the sugar?
Perfect. Perfect. Usually, this sticky rice is a little bitter, but she has put proper milk, no?
Yeah.
Irene, please take.
Yeah.
How Malay? Low, Irene.
So yummy, mo.
Very yummy.
Perfect taste.
Thank you.
She cooks awesome.
Yeah.